Hello and welcome back. Okay, Sambas. This is, you think probably thinking samba dance, but this is a Sambas movement. It's this pattern, okay? Called the Sambas, all right, hand to hand, not hand to hand combat, just hand to hand, all right? Just bear with me here. So we're going to go right into this, but this time, gentlemen, you're going to actually exit onto the outside rail, just to let you know that. Again, more detail in the private lesson stuff. So we're going to start with a two-hand hold. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Yes? So again, making sure that when you do this, you adjust the size of your steps, you will always kind of go around the rim a little bit or go straight down the hallway if you want to, okay? So, notice how we change the hands. Again, video and private lessons will show you more detail. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Yeah, pretty cool, isn't it? Now, I'm going to come toward the camera on this one. This is going to be a little bit tight, but I want you to see how I'm going from an outside rail, inside rail, back into the track with her, okay? You're going to see how I move. She stays mostly in that track, all right? So, as we move forward, let's just do a little silent, quick, quick. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. So I'm going in and out of that, all right? So gentlemen, I'm going to show you we're coming away from the camera, all right? Ready? Stop, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. All right? So now you get to see I'm moving back and forth, a little tight on that, but we can actually make it work. But you can see how it moves around the floor. I'm going side to side. So I'm going to take this around the floor just a little bit and let you see this moving a little bit bigger, okay? So here we go. All right, ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. All right? So when I go into this particular step, there's many things I can do. Once I free spin a partner, I can actually go back into close, open, patty cake. There's many different things. I can go into a weave position, track and rail system. There's a lot of things we can do once we go from a free spin. Always keep that in mind. So let's try it one more time over here. Okay? Again, it's called the Sambas. And quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. All right. Now, guess what? You have to go and learn this, all right? So, stop the video, go back, rewind, watch it again as much as you need to, together or apart, does not matter, and come on back to the next pattern.